Struggling to understand fast English conversations? Ever wondered why you miss words in movies or TV shows? Want to sound confident and fluent in real life interactions? Learn easy tips to decode American accents and fast speech. Hello friends, have you ever felt frustrated when watching an American TV shows only to realize you couldn't catch half of the words? Or maybe you have spoken to someone and their fast speech made you feel lost. Don't worry dear friends, you are not alone. Today I will be guiding you to understanding fast American speech effortlessly. Let's decode those tricky sounds and unlock fluency together. Why does American speak sound so fast? Let's understand the root of the problem. The first one is linking words, dear friends. Americans often link words together. For example, what are you doing becomes what you're doing. Next is reduced sounds. Certain sounds are, softened or dropped. For example, going to becomes gonna. Next is stress patterns. In American English, some words are emphasized, right? While others are said quickly, making them seem, invisible. Imagine you are, listening to a song with fast beats. You don't hear every single note, but still you enjoy the melody, right? That's how American speech works. It's all about, understanding rhythm, not every single word. Number 2, you have to practice active listening. Think of it like, training your ears to catch hidden treasures. Watch American shows or movies without, subtitles first. Then with subtitles to check your understanding. Start with slower content, maybe an educational video, and gradually in the process, move to faster paced, conversations. For example, shows like Friends or The Office have everyday language you can relate to and practice with. Number 3 is focus on intonation and stress. In American English, intonation, the rise and the fall of the voice, gives clues to meaning. You have to pay attention to how questions sound different from statements. Practice common stress patterns. For example, I am going to the store. Focuses on the going and the store. Try imitating all these patterns. Speak aloud. Don't be afraid to sound silly. It's part of the process. Number 4, master connected speech, dear friends. Here is where the things get fun. Americans often blend words. Let's look at a few examples. Did you eat? Sounds like do you eat? I don't know becomes I do know. Practice repeating all these phrases until they feel natural to you. You will start noticing all these patterns everywhere. Number 5, use shadowing technique. Shadowing is like karaoke, but for speech. Listen to a sentence and immediately repeat it while trying to match the speaker's speed, tone, and the rhythm. Apps like YouTube or podcast are perfect for this. For example, if someone says, "How is it going?" you immediately mimic their tone and flow. How is it going? How is it going? Number 6, expand your vocabulary, dear friends. Fast speech often seems tricky because you might not recognize certain words. Learn slang and idiomatic expressions. For example, let's hit the road means let's leave. Platforms like Urban Dictionary can be your best friend for decoding slang. Number 7, be patient and consistent. Learning to understand fast speech is a journey, not a race. Set small goals. Start with 5-minute clips and gradually increase your listening time. Celebrate small wins like catching a phrase or understanding an entire conversation. Remember, dear friends, even native speakers sometimes ask others to repeat themselves. It's okay to say, right? Could you say that again, please? So this is what I wanted to tell you, dear friends. Understanding fast American speech is not about, knowing every single word. It's all about recognizing patterns, listening actively, and practicing consistently. Take all these tips and you will soon find yourself understanding and maybe even speaking like a pro. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on mastering English. Until next time, keep listening, practicing, and growing.